Can I make different shades of blue by mixing different colors?
Hello and welcome to this exciting video where we'll explore the wonderful world of color mixing. Today, we're focusing on how to create different shades of blue using various colors. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of color theory, and you'll be able to create a whole spectrum of blue shades.
What is blue and its basic shades?
Blue is one of the three primary colors, along with red and yellow. It is a color that we often associate with the sky and the ocean. There are many different shades of blue, and these can range from light blues like baby blue and sky blue to darker blues like navy and royal blue. The color blue can be made lighter or darker by adding white or black, respectively. For example, mixing blue with white creates a lighter shade of blue, commonly known as sky blue or baby blue. On the other hand, adding black to blue gives us a darker shade, such as navy blue.
Creating different shades of blue.
Subsection 2.1. Making lighter blues. To create a lighter shade of blue, you simply add white to your base blue color. This process is called tinting. Adding more white results in a lighter tint. Experiment with the amount of white you add to achieve the perfect shade for your project. Subsection 2.2. Making darker blues. Making a darker blue is just as easy. You add black to your base blue color, a process known as shading. As with tinting, the more black you add, the darker the shade of blue will become. Subsection 2.3. Making vibrant or muted blues. You can also adjust the vibrancy of your blue. To do this, you'll need to work with complementary colors. In color theory, the complementary color to blue is orange. To create a vibrant blue, make sure to use a pure, intense blue with no added colors. On the contrary, to mute or desaturate the blue, add a small amount of its complement, in this case, orange. This creates a more subdued, earthy blue. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start with just a small amount and add more as needed. Creating different shades of blue is a rewarding process that allows you to fully customize your color palette. It's a combination of understanding basic color theory and a bit of experimentation. We hope that this video has shed some light on the process, and we encourage you to start mixing your own shades of blue. Happy painting!